morning, it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and today we have a new box of fabric that we're going to unbox. I also want to remind you that it's our grand opening, so stop by the shop and receive something special. Our first color today is Smoke. Very pretty light gray. Ooh, raisin, California raisins. Ooh, my favorite, creamsicle. Saffron. Amber.
Those two look almost the same.
They do.
Can you actually tell if there's a slight difference to them?
There is a slight difference. Let's hold those up and compare.
Wow. Oh, there is. One's more brown, one's more orange. That's kind of cool. But they looked almost exactly alike.
Let's go into some green. How about light lime? Are we getting hungry? To go with that, we have honeydew. We also have bonsai. Here's another yellow. We have sunflower. Sand. Getting into our trees. Juniper. Oh, brick. Brick. Visit your brick and mortar store. Cinnamon. Breeze. Oh, another one of my favorite colors, graphite.
Are you really into the grays?
I like grays. I am a gray person. Heliotrope? Heliotrope? Heliotrope?
Heliotrope.
Heliotrope. Ooh, Paris blue.
Ooh.
Very pretty. Ooh, another gray, overcast. Kind of overcast out there today, but don't let that stop you. Come in today.
I thought it wasn't supposed to rain today.
Rose. No, I believe there is a slight chance of rain today, but that's not going to stop us. Ooh, and zinc. Very pretty. Ooh, look at all those pretty colors. Come and enjoy.
But wait. There's more.
There's more?
There's more.
Oh, there's more. There's another box.
Hold on.